Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're talking about dreams, goals, and ambitions, a topic that's deeply personal and full of inspiring vocabulary. Having goals gives life direction and meaning. In English, we distinguish between different types. A dream is something you aspire to, perhaps without a clear plan yet. A goal is more concrete, it has a plan attached. And a vision is a vivid picture of your ideal future. When talking about ambitions, these phrases are natural and fluent. I've always wanted to. Or, my long-term goal is to. Or, I'm working towards. Or, one day I'd love to. Each has a slightly different feeling, from passive dreaming to active pursuit. Effective goals are often described as smart, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. Instead of saying I want to get fit, a SMART goal is, I'm going to run 3 times a week and complete a 10K race by June. Specificity and a deadline transform a vague wish into a real goal. Breaking big goals into milestones makes them less overwhelming. A milestone is a significant step on the way to the larger goal. You might say, my first milestone is to save 3,000 pounds. Once I reach that, I'll start looking at properties. Each milestone completed builds momentum. Procrastination, the habit of delaying things you intend to do, is the biggest enemy of goals. We often put things off because we're waiting for the perfect moment. The honest truth is, there is no perfect moment. Progress matters more than perfection. Accountability, having someone who checks in on your progress, is a powerful motivator. You might say, I told my sister about my goal and asked her to check in with me every month. Knowing I have to report back makes me more committed. Today, we covered dream and goal language, SMART goals, milestones, procrastination, and accountability. Your goals are waiting. See you next time.